असं ऑफिसमधून येताना ग्रीन कलरचं एक बलून तिथे घेऊन आले आणि मस्तपैकी येत होते. छान वाऱ्या वगैरे येत होतं तर बलून असं स्विंग करत होतं. हॅपी लिटल मोमेंट्स होते माझ्यासाठी. And while coming, I saw a girl. She was looking at my balloon. She, she didn't ask it, but while looking, she was feeling so nice, like feeling joyous. So I just asked her, "What do you want?" Her dad was also with her. So the moment I gave her that balloon, she was dancing with joy. So what I felt is that balloon is a little joy for me for a little moment of time. But as soon as I gave it to her, it meant the whole world for her. And she enjoyed it so nicely. I felt it. She gave me a flying kiss. She waved a bye for me, and her dad said thank you and all. So while going, I just felt so nice that while we are continuously searching for big happy moments, these small happy moments are worth thousand big moments. Making someone happy also makes us happy.